Hi, I'm Jimmy House with A-1 Vacuum Sales and Service, Louisville, Kentucky, right here in the Highlands. My brother Matt and myself are co-owners and operators of A-1 Vacuum. We're a four-generation family-ran business since 1954. Welcome to A1VacSales.com, and in this video we're going to tell you a little bit about what we offer, what kind of inventory we have, and what about our service and repairs. Our inventory is a huge selection of vacuum cleaners. We have over 50 plus models of canister vacuums, upright vacuums, cordless vacuums, German-made vacuums, American-made vacuums. We also carry air purifiers. We carry cordless mops. We carry steamers. So we have a huge selection of a lot of different things that will help keep your home clean. Onto the vacuum side, when you come in looking for a new vacuum, we're going to ask you about your flooring. Do you have steps? Do you have pets? What kind of oriental rugs do we have? Exactly what your needs are so we can help you pick out that perfect vacuum for your home. We want you to love it. Yes, I said love it. It's a possibility. When you let us help you pick out that perfect vacuum, you're going to love it. People come in all the time to buy bags and say, thank you so much. I love my vacuum cleaner. So I know we can do that for you. Once you make the purchase, we offer 100% satisfaction, 100% guarantee. If not, we'll give you all your money back. So we have that 7-day trial period to make sure you love it inside your home. Onto the repairs, we can pretty much work and fix any type of vacuum cleaner. The only thing that stops us sometimes is part availability. Sometimes when you get these box store vacuum cleaners, parts are hard to get after a few years. So as long as we get the parts, we can fix it for you. Servicing, we can pretty much service all makes and models. We run 3 to 5 business days, so we try to get them in and out very quickly for you. We offer shampoo rental. It's by the day, $49.95. That includes the hose and the shampoo. We get tremendous feedback on those. We take all major credit cards. We offer 6 months financing, 12 months financing. And we're here to help you pick out that awesome vacuum cleaner. So stop by and check us out. We're at 1523 Bardstown Road in the Highlands. Thank you so much.